Hey everyone. Before we go on in the series for enhancing the data model with DAX, we'll just have a quick look at the data model and how it looks like and what are the various components. So let's start. I've got the Power BI file open here with me, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub, and I'll leave a link to this in the video notes so you can download the file if you've not already downloaded it. So essentially, I've got the fact internet sales table, which is the main transaction table, and everything else is like a lookup table. So you can see there's a product table, there's a customer table, there's a geography table, and there are a few standalone tables we are not concerned with. We probably will not be concerned with them as we go along this journey. So you can see this is a bit like a star schema, and all the information exists in the fact internet sales table, and then we link it to the date table, the product table, the customer table, the geography table, and then the product is further can be broadened, so it has a product category, so product categories will have multiple products on it, and you can look at the relationship. So essentially multiple products. So if let me open this, and you can look at the properties as well on the data model. So it's if you look at this, all of this is a many to one relationship. What it essentially means is that you've got so a product category can have multiple products sitting under it, and similarly from product to fact internet sales table is also a one to many, so which essentially means that a product can have multiple instances in the internet sales table. Similarly, all of these relationships are one to many, and you can have a look at them. So this is just a brief overview of the underlying data model, and you can arrange it the way it makes more sense in your head. And we will start enhancing it. So just a brief overview is that we've got the fact internet sales table, which is the main transaction table, and then we've got the lookup tables, which is, so we've got customer, product, and date. We might add more as we need and we go along this journey, but this should suffice for now. And then further, we've got the dim geography, so a customer belongs to a certain area, so that is how that is modeled. And then we've got product category, so multiple products can belong to one category, and you've got information around the category in the dim product category table. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Do let me know if you've got any doubts or queries. Do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.